Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Curtified, and before we start the video, I just want to say thank you for 12 subscribers now, and we're going to be introducing our new intro today. So, today we'll be playing Don't Press the Button. Okay, so I did test this game out before, and it's pretty fun actually. It has so many people playing it. So let's get right into the game. Okay, so we're in the game, and there's a green button here.
I like dancing.
We're
like
already
trains.
talking. Oh, and we're dead already. Okay, just into the video. Now, it says don't press the green button, but everybody presses the green button. Oh. Okay. Baldi's here. Slap, slap, slap. Slap, slap, slap. Okay. I don't know why this game got popular. How long is this gonna last? Oh! He survived! Oh, okay. The fox touched the button. Victory Royale!
Now that's a victory royale.
Okay. Press the green button. Come on, I want to press it. And we're in a meteor shower now. This game is really fast paced. Okay. So many meteors. I want to press the button this time. Come on. I'm afraid to get landed on by a meteor though. Okay, cool. I want to press the button. Stop standing on it. Yes, we pressed it! Tsunami incoming. There it is. We have to climb the building? I think. Oh, it's coming in. Are we safe up here? No, I gotta get higher. This isn't making me feel good. We're getting some natural disaster in here. I don't even think we had a tsunami last... Well, in the natural disaster video. So here it is now. Click the green button. Twice in a row. Yeah. Oh, let's go inside the house. Can we get inside of it? Okay.
That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage. Okay. Can we put... That guy is just floating around with no legs. Uh-oh. The button disappeared. Oh. It wants us to press it. Oh, we got some Mario music. This is probably copyrighted. I found it! I did it! I don't think I can show this part.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Oh, hi Michael. Wait, why is someone dead? Oh, the lava rising? I'm really bad at stuff. No! Okay. Everyone's dead? No. People are still alive. I love this game already. We can't play the Mario music though for more than 5 seconds, otherwise this video might get copyrighted. It's sad. I don't even know if this is copyrighted. But that's okay. Let's press the green button! Yes, we got it! Oh, thank you. This again! We can redeem ourselves. Come on. Uh-oh. Or not. We're just gonna die in the exact same spot. Dog, how are you even playing this game? Your eyes are covered by your hat. Oh gosh, your face underneath. Oof. Hey, you grew your legs back! I'm so happy for you. Oh. Touch the button! Yes, I got it from all the way over here. Take that, blind boy. This again. Now that's what I call
royale.
I messed that up. Press it again.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Why does it keep doing that?
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
This game.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
This again? Okay. Tsunami. Again. We know what to do here. Come on, you can do this. What if I jump here? Can I lose my legs? Or, okay, I'm just gonna die. We got run over by a tsunami. That's my face underneath. If anyone wanted to know what I looked like underneath. Underneath my pumpkin head. This again?
I need a hug.
Now that's a victory
I'll give you a hug.
royale.
Come on, get over here. Hug
Will you
me.
be my friend?
Hug me. Whoa. Everything's invisible. Cats in space.
Will you be my friend?
This is like one of those like photos. This is so peaceful. Whoa. That was so I was gonna say that was so relaxing before I jumped off the edge. What's happening?
That's a lot of damage.
Okay. I'm glad I missed that one.
Slap, 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 clap, clap,
This
clap,
again.
slap, 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 clap, 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 slap, slap,
This is
slap,
ridiculous.
clap, clap, slap, slap, slap,
Slap, slap, slap. Slap, slap, slap. Baldy,
slap, slap,
you need to learn some
slap,
manners.
slap,
Let me give you a
slap,
hug.
clap, clap, clap,
No!
slap, slap,
I'm gonna die!
clap, slap,
Oh, I'm still alive.
clap, 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 slap, slap,
No, my brother is almost dead.
slap, slap,
I'm actually more dead than he is. Okay. What's next? We can't click the button. No.
boom!
I'm glad I didn't click the button that time. Is there a shop?
I like dancing.
I like trains.
I like trains.
Can I have
Whoa, my face! What? Hey, what's this? I want to finish. Oh, okay. My animation's not good for this. Go, Miles. Okay, let's see what's in the shop. Coin shop. How many coins do we have? How do we know this? Epic duck. This is perfect.
Let's be friends.
Let's be friends. Here, let me turn up the volume.
I need a hug.
I need a hug.
Let's be friends.
Yes. Okay, now I can't. This is so obnoxious.
I love you.
I love you.
Can I have cheeseburger, please?
This.
Creeper.
I don't like this.
Oh man.
Rip Steve. Run! Okay, I'll run. Let's go. Oh, you want the coin? No! Fox, I'm after you. Again. You have a gun. No, I'm not after you anymore. Blind Doge. I have nothing to say to you. Wreck-It Ralph is dead.
Can I have cheeseburger, please?
How long does this go on for? We can click the button! Yes! Oh, this again. We can do it! I suck at this so bad. Oh, we're making it! Come on! No! I hate my animation with this! I kinda wish there was no animation. Wait, there's a settings button? Oh, just music mute. That would be pretty good for copyright, but no, I just have to go in manually and do it. Well, I don't know. I don't know if it's copyright, because it probably might not be, since it's just off of a
It's the
video
most
game.
beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a
Banana! Next to a banana!
Can I have cheeseburger?
I love that one. How is that fair? I'm still in my head. Oh, we have a second chance. Yes. Let's go. Everybody's dying. This is Plants vs. Zombies music. If you can't tell already. This music is so soothing. I don't know why I like it so much. Even though death is happening. Ooh, look at this skill. No. Yes, we survived. We can press the button. Do it. Whoa, we're fast! I look like a blur. It looks like I'm glitching out. Whee! Let's run off the edge. Yay. Take 2 on the outro. I completely messed up last time. Anyways, I hope you have a perfect day. And I'm the meteor, I swear. Anyways, I hope you have a perfect day. And I'm Curtified, signing out.